I say all these hoes ain't nothing, they just wanna hate on something. I been stepping on shit like here to hit no church, I safe on Sunday. Born in this assassin shit, my mama told me burn that money. I ain't got no love for shit, then off, you know I'm leaving.
What's good, y'all? I am back with another video, and today I am here to do a little mukbang, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and get the video to 5 likes. And today I will be doing the Milkshake Oreo mukbang. So yeah, and this is what it look like. So yeah, so I'm gonna start being more consistent on the channel. I got braces too, but I'm gonna get the colors changed. And I got this one because I got a haircut. And don't mind what I got on right now. It's because I just got back from Boston. So yeah. And also, the good news is I got another vlog. It's gonna be called the Florida Orlando vlog. I got the Daytona Beach vlog, but that vlog got like 15 likes. So y'all get this video to 5 likes and go check out the streams. And I'm gonna start being more consistent. So I got a vlog one day about my back because my back breaking out. So I'm gonna tell y'all how that goes. Cause like my back breaking out somehow, I kept itching. Like yeah. So I got my vlog for y'all, and I got a birthday vlog too. And yeah. So yeah. See how the taste is. It's kind of good. I'm rate this like a 10 out of 10. This is the best. So, I mean, I would do reaction videos, but that's kind of boring. So, I feel like vlogs will blow me up more. So make sure you guys go subscribe because this is how many people subscribe and haven't subscribed. And hey, let's get it because we finna get lit. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to change my braces and all that. I'm finna think about dyeing my hair one day, getting tattoos, get my like eyebrows, my design. I'm finna have my glow up. I'm finna get piercings on my ears, stuff like that. And yeah, I'm finna be on TikTok mode and YouTube. I don't know what games to stream, but the streams is on Twitch if y'all wanna know where I'm at. But yeah, this best. Well, it's gonna be called it's gonna be called DQ Oreo Milkshake Mukbang. That's what it's gonna be called. And yeah, this going up on TikTok, bro, because I got like 2,000 on TikTok. I'm trying to hit like at least 11,000. This is a buzz. Yeah. Make sure y'all hit the bell, come notifications, and subscribe. Give me the 600 subscribers. And I'm gonna be on TikTok too, so go follow me on the description. And also, I'm gonna promote my Twitch too. It's called Vlon Devo YT. And I'm finna get Instagram and start promoting it on there. I'm gonna be everywhere. Hopefully, I'll blow up on TikTok before they ban it. Yeah, these young Bush.
I would like you to do me the honor of making me.
So yeah, that's all I got to say. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I got a lot of things coming up on the channel. I got a lot of streams. I got a lot of mukbangs. I got a lot of Oreo videos, all that. So yeah. Right now we at 564 subs. We was just at 569, but somehow I lost some subscribers. I don't know how. But yeah. So I'm finna go ahead and get off, and then after I finish this, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. Then I might stream, I don't know, I might stream on Twitch or something like that, but yeah, I'm most definitely finna be on TikTok. I usually go live on TikTok at like 9:55. But yeah, I got like 2,000 followers on TikTok. I'm kind of growing on it. But yeah, and I mean, I would like end the video when I finish this, but it's gonna take forever. So yeah, make sure you guys share the video, comment down what's your favorite part. And also I got a vlog coming soon. And I got all that. So yeah, hit the bell, comment, subscribe. And see y'all later. Peace out. Have a great day. Just do. Best milkshake I ever tried so far. I'm finna show y'all later. Get the video for 5 likes. It's finna be more consistent.
So you turn your light on and say go. Don't know what the fuck is going on when you expecting me to go. Fuck it, let me pack my clothes. Right back to that murder zone. Fuck, I miss my granddad home. Shouldn't have came up out the push. Feel it, I'm gon' die, yeah. All alone and by myself. Alive, got breath from life support.